so I hope this video can help someone out, because when I ran into this problem with my F250, I scoured YouTube and Google looking for a solution and honestly couldn't find much of anything. There might be something out there, but I thought, well, I'll go ahead and make a video, and again, if this can help someone, great. I sure hope it can, and it's not doesn't turn into a huge headache like it did for me. Anyway, about a week or so ago, the key got stuck in my 2000 F250 7.3 Power Stroke. And so I did a little bit of research and found out that it's probably this ignition cylinder, right? So I went ahead and placed an order on Amazon for a new one, but continued to drive the truck as it was, just leaving the key in the ignition at all times. So probably not the best thing to do, because when I got in there and took the ignition cylinder out, I found this in the little cylinder broken, and that's not supposed to happen. And so this came out with the cylinder and the gear, and I'll pull that out and show you what I mean here in a second. Anyway, fortunately I was able to get the parts that I needed and get it put back together. So just stay tuned, and we'll go through how to put this back together and get the truck started up again. You can't just cram this down in here like this. It won't go. So here's what you do. First, you have to get this gear seated with, I don't know if you can see in there, I've got a little light. See, there's little teeth of gears at the very top up there, and we're going to line this with it. Now I will note that I have it, this is in the start position. It has to be in the start position so that when you put the cylinder back in, it's in the start position, it'll slide in, and you can go from there. So as you can hear, the radio's on. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna slide that in down into there, just like so. Maybe. I'm having issues. There we go. Let me take this bearing, okay, and this is where it gets a little tricky. So there's actually a slot back there for this to get seated into, but you really can't see it from this angle. And you just simply insert this like so, okay, and then take your screwdriver and turn it so that it now lines up with that gear. Let me get a light in there so that you can see. See, it's all in line now. Okay. And then, now we're going to take our ignition cylinder and insert it right there. So let's make sure we're in the, here's the stop position. Nope, there's the stop position. In the on position. Should slide right in. Okay, stop. Key comes out. Key goes in. Put her in the back position. We've got our radio. There's stop. Key out. Back in. Go ahead and warm up the glow plugs. So just like that, she's fixed. Ta-da! Hey, thanks again for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, subscribe, comment. Every like and subscribe helps. She's a beaut. She's a beast. (2000) F250 7.3 power stroke. If you have problems with your ignition, that should help.